Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking maths of class 7th lesson number 6 simple equations part 4 exercise number 6.2 question number 1. So the question number 1 it is given solve and verify the solution. So the equation is given, we have to solve that equation and after solving we have to verify it. So the equation it is given 6x minus 3 equals to 21. This is the equation and we have to solve this equation, and while solving we have to find out the value of a variable, and the variable is given in this equation, that is x. It means here we have to find out the value of x. So the solution 6x minus 3 equals to 21. So here you can notice that the number that is 3, it is a numerical term and 21 is also a numerical term. So we will transfer this minus 3 to right hand side and it will become plus 3. So that is 6x equals to 21 plus 3, and 21 plus 3 is equals to 24. So that is 6x equals to 24. Now we will transfer this 6 to right hand side and it will goes in the form of division, as here it is given in the form of multiplication with x. So it will become x equals to 24 divided by 6, and 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. Now here we got the value of x is 4, means the variable here we got the value of a variable is 4. Now we have to verify this solution. So for to verify, in the given equation that is 6x minus 3 equals to 21, in this given equation we will put here x as 4, because here we got x as 4. So that's why here we will put x as 4 and then we will verify the equation. So that is 6 into 4 minus 3 equals to 21, and 6 into 4 is equals to 24 minus 3 is equals to 21. Then 24 minus 3 is equals to 21. So that is 21 equals to 21. So here we got both sides as equal. It means it is verified. So therefore here we will write LHS is equals to RHS, and if we got both the side equal, that is LHS and RHS are equal, that means it is verified. Then question number B. It is given 7x plus 4 equals to 11. It is the equation. We will solve and find out the value of a variable, that is x. 7x plus 4 equals to 11. Then we will transfer here 4 to right hand side and plus 4 will become minus 4. So that is 7x equals to 11 minus 4, then 7x equals to 7, because 11 minus 4 is 7. Then we will transfer this 7 to right hand side, and here the 7 and x are given in the form of multiplication. Then we will transfer this 7 to right hand side, it will goes in the form of division. Then x equals to 7 divided by 7, and 7 divided by 7 is equals to 1. Now we will verify it, that when we will put the value of x in this equation, then the both sides will be equal or not, that we have to find out by using the verification. So that is the given equation 7x plus 4 equals to 11. Then in place of x we will put here 1. So that is 7 into 1 plus 4 equals to 11. Then 7 into 1 is 7. That is 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Then 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. So here we got 11 equals to 11. It means both LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore this equation also verified. Then C, it is given 6x minus 3 equals to x divided by 5 plus 21. So here it is given equation, and here we have to find out the value of x. So here we will start with the solution, that is 6x minus 3 equals to x divided by 5 plus 26. So here we can notice that here this is one a variable term, this is numerical term, and here it is a variable and it is a numerical term. So here we will shift numerical term at one side and variable term at another side. So here we will shift x divided by 5 to left hand side, and minus 3 we will shift to right hand side. So it will become 6x minus x by 5 equals to 26 plus 3. So now here 6x minus x by 5, now it is observed that it is in the form of mixed fraction. We will convert it in the proper fraction. So for that we will write it as 5 into 6x minus x divided by 5, that equals to 29. So here 26 plus 3 equals to 29 we got here, and what we did here 5 multiplied by 6 x minus 5. So here that is 6 into 6x minus x divided by 5 equals to 29. Therefore, 6x into 5 equals to 30x. So here we will write 30x minus 5 divided by 5 equals to 29. So here we got 5 into 6x as 30x minus x divided by 5 equals to 29. So now 30x minus x will be equals to 29. Why? It is given as a 30x. Here we got 30x and here a coefficient is not given in front of x. It means here the coefficient will be 1. Then 30x minus 1x will be equals to 29x. So that is 29x divided by 5 is equals to 29. Now we will shift this 5 to right hand side, as here it is given in the form of division, that is 29 divided by 5. So when we transfer this 5 to right hand side, it will goes in the form of multiplication with 29. So that is x equals to 29 into 5 divided by 29. So here what I have done, I have transferred this whole rational number. So when we will transfer this whole rational number, then it will goes in the form of reciprocal to the right hand side. So the reciprocal of 29 by 5 is 5 by 29. Now here 29 will get cancelled. Therefore here we got the value of x as 5. Now we are going to verify it. So in verification, the equation is given 6x minus 3 equals to x divided by 5 plus 26. So now in place of x, we will put the value which we got while solving the solution, that is 5. So here 6 into 5 minus 3 equals to 5 divided by 5 plus 26. So here in place of x we kept here 5 and here also in place of x I kept here 5. So now 6 into 5 is equals to 30 and 5 divided by 5 we will get 1. So that is 30 minus 3 equals to 1 plus 26. So now 30 minus 3 is 27 and 1 plus 26 equals to 27. So here we got both sides are equal. Therefore we can say that is LHS is equals to RHS. It means it is verified. Then the next question it is given D, that is 8 into 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals to minus 3 into 5 minus x. So now we are going to solve this equation. So the given equation is 8 into 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals to minus 3 into 5 minus x. So here 8 is given in the form of multiplication with 1 minus 2x, as it is given here. The bracket means we have to multiply this 8 with this whole bracket. And again here also at right hand side minus 3 we have to multiply with this whole bracket, and in bracket it is given 5 minus x. So when we multiply 8 into 1 we will get 1, then 8 into 2x, that equals to 8 into 2 will be 16. So it will become minus 16x plus 6 we will write as it is. Then minus 3 into 5 will become minus 15 and minus minus will become plus. Then plus 3 into x will become 3x. So here is the equation, that is 8 minus 16x plus 6 equals to minus 15 plus 3x. So again I am going to explain you how I thought this. Multiply 8 with 1. So 8 into 1 will be 8, then minus we will write as it is, then 8 into 2x will be 16x, then plus 6 write as it is, plus minus 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 and here it is given minus, that's why here we will write minus 15. Then minus minus will become plus. So when we multiply minus with minus we will get plus. Then here that's why we have wrote here plus. Then 3 into x it will be 3x. Then here it is a numerical term, here it is also a numerical term. So we will add this, and it is given 8 plus 16. So 8 plus 16 we will get, sorry, 8 plus 6 we will get 14. Then remaining equation we will write as it is, that is 14 minus 16x equals to minus 15 plus 3x. So now we will transfer variable term at one side and numerical term at another side. So that is 14 plus 15 equals to 3x plus 16x. So what I did here, I had transferred this 15 to left hand side. So minus 15 has become plus 15, and that 16x I transferred to right hand side. Then here's minus 16x has become plus 16x. So now 14 plus 15 equals to 29, and 3x plus 16x we will get it as a 19x. So that is 29 equals to 19x. Now here we got 29 equals to 19x, but what we want here we want the value of x. So that's why we will transfer this 19 to another side, and it is in the form of multiplication, then it will goes in the form of division. So that is we will write it as 29 divided by 19 equals to x. It means here we got the value of x as 29 divided by 19. Now we are going to verify it, and for verification we will write 29 by 19 in place of x in the given equation. So the verification is given equation 8 into 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals to 3 into 5 minus x. So now here in place of x we will write 29 divided by 19. So that is, it will become 8 into 1 minus 2 into 29 by 19 plus 6 equals to minus 3 into 5 minus 29 by 19. Now first we will simplify the bracket here. Okay, so now it will become 8 into 1 minus 58 divided by 19 plus 6 equals to 3 into 5 minus 29 divided by 19. So what we did here, we have multiplied this 2 with 29, and 2 into 29 equals to 58. So then we will write it as 8 into 19 minus 58 divided by 19 plus 6 equals to minus 3 into 95 minus 29 divided by 19. So what we have done here, I have multiplied this 19 with 1, and 19 into 1 is equals to 19, and here also 19 into 5 is equals to 95, and then remaining I have written as it is. Now we will simplify it, that is 19 minus 58, and 19 minus 58 we will get minus 39, and here 95 minus 29 we will get 66. So here we will write it as 8 into minus 39 divided by 19 plus 6 equals to minus 3 into 66 divided by 19. Now it is given in the bracket, so we will multiply this 8 with this whole bracket. It means we will multiply 8 with minus 29, and here we will multiply minus 3 with 66. So here we will get minus 312 divided by 19 plus 6 equals to minus 198 divided by 19. So now it can be written as minus 312 plus 144 divided by 19 equals to minus 198 divided by 19. So here we will multiply 19 with 6. So 19 into 6 will be 144. Now 144 we will add with minus 312, that is divided by 19, which is equals to minus 198 divided by 19. Now minus 312 plus 144 is equals to minus 198 divided by 19, which is equals to minus 198 divided by 19. So here when we do the subtraction, what is given here, minus 312 and plus 140. So plus minus will become minus, means here we will do the subtraction, that is 312 minus 144 we will get 198, and here the greater number is 312 whose sign is given negative, that's why here we will write the minus sign. So that's why here we got minus 198 divided by 19 equals to minus 198 divided by 19. Therefore we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Then the next question is E, that is 2x plus 3 divided by 7 equals to 4. Then the solution, 2x plus 3 divided by 7 equals to 4 is the given question, and here we have to find out the value of x. So for that we will transfer this 7 to right hand side in the form of multiplication with 4. So it will be 2x plus 3 equals to 4 into 7. Now 4 into 7 is equals to 28. Therefore 3x plus 2x plus 3 equals to 28. Now we will transfer this 3 to right hand side in the form of subtraction. So that is plus 3 will become minus 3 when we transfer this to right hand side. So that is 2x equals to 28 minus 3, and 28 minus 3 is equals to 25. Therefore 2x equals to 25. Now we will transfer this 2 to right hand side in the form of division, that is x equals to 25 divided by 2. Now this is the value of x which we got. Now we have to verify this question, and for that we will put x equals to 25 divided by 2 in this given equation. So the verification, the given equation is 2x plus 3 divided by 7 equals to 4. So now we have transferred this 7 to right hand side. So now we will put x equals to 25 by 2. So here we will get 2 into 25 by 2 plus 3 equals to 4 into 7. Now 2 we will multiply with 25, and 2 into 25 equals to 50 and 4 into 7 equals to 28. So we will get 50 divided by 2 plus 3 equals to 28. So now we will multiply this 2 with 3 and we will add it with 50 as it is given in this form. So here we will, when multiply 2 with 3, we will get 2 into 3 is 6. So that is 50 plus 6 divided by 2 equals to 28. Now 50 plus 6 is equals to 56. So that is 56 divided by 2 equals to 28. Now 56 divided by 2 is equals to 28. That is 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 28, that equals to 56. So therefore here we got 28 equals to 28. So it means we got LHS equals to RHS. It means the X value, that is 25 by 2, whichever we got, that is true. It means that in verification, when we keep the value of X, we get both sides equal. It means it is verified. Then the next question F, that is 5x equals to 3x plus 56. So now we will solve this to find out the value of x. So the given equation is 5x equals to minus 3x plus 56. So now here you can find that 5x and given at the left hand side and minus 3x on the right hand side, they both are the variable terms. So I will transfer this 3 minus 3x to left hand side. So minus 3x will become plus 3x. So that is 5x plus 3x equals to 56. Then 5x plus 3x is equals to 8x. So that is, here we get 8x equals to 56. Now I will transfer this 8 to right hand side. It will goes in the form of division, that is x equals to 56 divided by 8 and 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. So here we got the value of x as 7. Then the verification, the given equation is 5x plus 5x equals to minus 3x plus 56. Now in place of x we will put 7 as we got the value of x as 7. So that is 5 into 7 equals to 3 into 7 plus 56. Now 5 into 7 is equals to 35 and minus 3 into 7 is equals to minus 21. So that is 35 equals to minus 21 plus 56. Now here we got minus 21 plus 56. So plus minus will be minus. It means 56 minus 21 we will get 35. And now here the sign of 56 is given plus. So we will write here plus 35 because whatever greater number is given, the greater digit it is given in that equation, we have to put the sign of that digit, and here the greater number is 56. So that is, here we got 35 equals to 35. It means both sides are equal, that is LHS equals to RHS, means it is verified. Then the next question is G, 3 into x minus 1 plus 6 equals to 12. The solution, 3 into x minus 1 plus 6 equals to 12. So now we will multiply this 3 with both x and minus 1 as it is given in the bracket. So 3 into x will be 3x and 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. So that is 3x minus 3 plus 6 equals to 12. Now minus 3 plus 6, so that is minus plus will be minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3 and here we will get plus 3. So that is 3x plus 3 equals to 12. So what we did here, minus 3 plus 6 plus, here it is given minus and here it is given plus. Plus minus will be minus. So here my 6 minus 3 is plus 3. Now we will transfer this 3 to right hand side and plus 3 will become minus 3. So that is 3x equals to 12 minus 3 and 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. So that is 3x equals to 9. Now we will transfer 3 to right hand side in the form of division. So that is x equals to 9 by 3 and 9 by 3 is equals to 3. So here we got the value of x as 3. Now the verification, the given equation we will write to verify, that is 3 into x minus 1 plus 6 equals to 12. Now in place of x we will put the value of 8, that is 3. So we will write it as 3 into 3 minus 1 plus 6 equals to 12. Now here 3 minus 1 is given. Now we have to multiply this 3 with whole bracket. It means 3 into 3 will be 9 and 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. So here we will write 9 minus 3 plus 6 equals to 12. Now 3 minus 9 minus 3 will be 6 and 6 plus 6 will be 12. So that's why here we got 12 equals to 12. That is LHS is equals to RHS. It means it is verified. Then the next question is H, that is 3 minus x divided by 4 equals to 9. So the solution 3 minus x divided by 4 equals to 9. We have to simplify this equation and we have to find out the value of x. So we will transfer this 4 to right hand side in the form of multiplication, as here it is given in the form of division with 3 minus x. So here 3 minus x equals to 9 into 4. So 3 minus x, it is given in the bracket. So first we will remove the bracket and we will multiply 3 with 4. So here we will get 3 minus x equals to 45. Now we will transfer this 3 to right hand side. It will goes in the form of minus, as it is given here as a plus 3. So that is what we are left here with minus x. So that is minus x equals to 45 minus 3, and 45 minus 3 is equals to 42. That's why minus x equals to 42. It means we got the value of x as minus 42. So whenever we will get as a negative variable, that time we have to shift this minus sign to right hand side to the numerical value whichever we got. So here we will get x equals to minus 42. Now we will verify, that is given equation x minus 3 minus x divided by 4 equals to 9. Now in place of x we will put here 42. So that is 3 minus 42 divided by 4 equals to 9. So here we got the value of x as minus 42. So in place of x we will put here minus 42, and already here sign of minus is given. So that's why we have written here 3 minus and in bracket minus 42. So here plus minus minus will become plus, because minus into minus is plus. So that is 3 plus 42 equals to 9 into 4. So here minus minus has become plus, and we have shifted this 4 to right hand side in the form of multiplication. So now 3 plus 42 equals to 45, and 9 into 4 is equals to 45. So here both side we got 45 equals to 45. It means LHS is equals to RHS. It means this question is verified. Then the next question, that is I. 7 into 2x minus 5 equals to 49. Now the solution, we will multiply this 2x minus 5 with 7. So we will write it as 7 into 2x minus 5 equals to 49. Now here 7 we will multiply with 2x and with 5 also. So now 7 into 2x is equals to 14x, and minus 5 equals to with 7, that is 7 into minus 5 will be minus 35. So here we will write 14x minus 35 equals to 49. Now we will transfer this minus 35 to right hand side and it will become plus 35. So that is 14x equals to 49 plus 35, and 49 plus 35 equals to 84. So that is 14x equals to 84. Now we will transfer this 14 to right hand side in the form of division. So here we will get x equals to 84 divided by 14, and 84 divided by 14 is equals to 6. So therefore here we got the value of x as 6. Now we will do the verification. So first we will write down the equation what is given, that is 7 into 2x minus 5 equals to 49. Now in place of x we will put there 6. So it will become 7 into 2 into 6 minus 5 equals to 49. So here it is 2 and x are in the form of multiplication. So in place of x we will put 6. So it will become 2 into 6 and 2 into 6 is 12. So here we will write 7 into 12 minus 5 equals to 49. Now 7 minus 5, first we will simplify the bracket. That's why 7 minus 5 is 9. So it will be 7 into 7 equals to 49 and 7 into 7 is 49. That's why here we got 49 equals to 49. So both sides are equal. It means LHS is equals to RHS. So here solution is verified. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this first question is understand by you. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.